Okay, yeah, same process. No. What I taught you. Both hands, and then in the middle. Watch, yep, drop.
Now, like this.
Yeah, that's really good. Good. Now, Destiny, we need a place to put everything nice and neat. So could you bring one more plate as well? Yeah? No, sorry. No. I don't. We're using this plate for something else. Come on, Destiny. Let's go. Yeah? One more plate. Iggy, are you using this? Cool. No, that'll be okay. Yeah. Just shake gently, and then there. Yeah. Next one.
Drop. Tap around the edges.
Okay. No. That's a bowl. Plate.
Tap.
Good. All right. Yeah, that would do. Yeah. Gently, and then transfer it. Cool. All right. Next ones. Yeah. Just leave on there. Grab and then carry on. Okay, cool. Excellent. What do you think?
Tap around the edges.
I think they should do a little bit more. So I'll return this one back to you guys. You can put more on it for you. Not too hard, nice and gently. Yeah? Yeah, not too hard, nice and gently.
Not too much.
Okay, yeah. Good. Cool. That's really good actually. That's very good. Put some salt in it.
Okay, take out the one that's on the top.
Salt is actually good for you as long as it's not too much,
This
yeah?
one.
Just leave that. Put it on there. Yeah. Just put it on top. Yeah, put it on top. No. It's alright. Put it on top. Fine. Next one.
Moses, my mum was salt addict.
There is no such as salt. You roll your sleeves. There you go. So
My
that
mum has
your
an addiction
nose
to
doesn't
salt.
go to the food.
Okay, elbows.
No, Moses, my mum has an addiction to salt. She eats it all the time.
How are the fruits coming? Can we make sure there's nothing falling on the table? Yes? Henry?
No. Elbow, you made it rip.
It's alright. Nice and gently. Keep your eyes on it. You teach him. Yeah? Just teach him how to do it. Yeah? Nice and gently. Good. Watch your elbow. Yeah? There's this one here. Good. Alright. Should we take this one on? Oh, yeah. What do you think? Good?
Good.
Alright.
No, elbows, not yet.
Put it in.
Iggy, teaching, yeah? Teaching.
There's only 3 more.
Okay. Now we need a lid for that, yeah? So we're gonna put a lid on it. This one. Okay. You're doing well, yeah? Albert, you're doing really well. Cool. How are the fruits coming?
Yeah.
You think we need more fruits?
No.
Alright.
That is a lot of seeds in there.
Alright, should we do this one? Destiny?
I forgot these 3 will be no more eggs.
That's fine. We'll improvise, yeah? As we always do. There you go.
Yeah.